Hi everyone, I hope you're ready to learn some English. We'll learn the verb do in the past simple tense to make positive and negative statements and ask questions. The past simple tense is used to describe actions or events that happened and were completed in the past. For an action or activity, it refers to having performed or completed a task. For example, I did my homework. As a helping verb, it's used in forming questions, negatives, and emphatic statements. For example, did you eat your lunch? No, I didn't eat my lunch. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I did. You did. He, she, or it did. We did. You did. They did. To form questions, you move the verb to the front. Did I? Did he? Positive statement. I did go to the gym. Negative statement. I didn't go to the gym. Question. Did you go to the gym? Positive statement. We did our shopping at the weekend. Negative statement. We didn't do our shopping at the weekend. Question. Did they do their shopping at the weekend? Positive statement. I did it. Negative statement. I didn't do it. Question. Did you do it? Share with your English language student friends. Thank you for watching.